Hi, this is John Rudolph. I'm going to be talking about my Project 3 infographic and why I chose the style that I did. First of all, let me just say, as you'll see as we go down from top to bottom, you'll see that I've combined a list view, a timeline view, and an anatomy view, and in some ways a process view in my style of infographic. So I combined a couple different styles into one. I felt like that was the best way to convey this large amount of information in one place. Further, you'll see that I started out with a bold yellow statement. Data breaches cost millions. Now, that's my attention grabber. Below that is really the information that I'm trying to convey is do business leaders undervalue information technology? As an IT professional, I can tell you that businesses see us as an expense and not as a money generator, revenue generator. I'm actually here to show you that we're actually a cost savings. So as we go down the list, you'll see also that I went uniformly with font colors and font styles. Because again, there's a lot of information here, but I wanted to have some sort of uniformity as not to distract from the information I'm trying to convey. In this chart, I'm trying to show how the United States leads the way in cost of data breaches, the place we want to be, how we compare to the rest of the world. Move down to PII, or personally identifiable information. I state here that it costs $221 per data record. So when I was looking at AT&T, I had 6 million records in my database. If all 6 million records were compromised, you can see how this $221 per record can cost a lot of money. As I go down, I also want to include how customers view data breaches, and they don't view them positively whatsoever. You'll see that external costs of a data breach is about 39% of all external costs, even more so for seasonal work. I wanted to show here in this graph how customers view data breaches, and many companies lose and never regain their customer base. Things that people don't think about. Regulatory fines. United States and Europe, we have different regulations, different regulatory fines. And consequently, 58% of companies don't report their data breaches. Go down is legal cost. I highlight here the $10 million. But also, as you look over here, it shows quickly that lawsuits are filed within 24 hours. So not only are you dealing with the cost of these data breaches, you're also dealing with legal costs. And one that I wouldn't have thought of, quite frankly, credit card reissuance. As I said in my database, I had 6 million people when I worked for AT&T. Now imagine those are banking customers. And let's say 5 million of the 6 million were compromised. We'd have to reissue 5 million new credit cards. How much does it cost per credit card? $5, $1, $2? Whatever it costs, you multiply that times the 5 million, like I said, used in my example, and now you see how this $170 million data breach cost is achieved. And then down here at the bottom, as we always should have, a list of our resources. Because obviously this information here didn't come from me. It came from Forbes and CNET and other organizations and IBM who actually researched this information. Okay, thank you very much.